y'all? It's your girl Alyssa coming to you with a half-beat face girl, because today we are testing out this new powder, which it probably was in the title. So I'm going to just tell you now, I'm very excited. Go ahead and stay tuned to see how it turns out, if it's for us. I mean, it has to be for us, but we shall see how it works out. Let's get into it. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go. Okay, you guys, MERCIER has come out with a translucent honey powder, okay? So we all know that she has the translucent and then she has the translucent deep. So let me just show you guys that right now, because I do have both of them. This one is the translucent. That's the shade. It's kind of like a bone shade. It does have a little tint to it. And then this one is the deep. So as you guys can see, it was space for one to come in the middle. Okay? She has some space in the middle. So I'm glad she filled that void. And I feel like this honey shade is just for us. You know, this is the packaging. I'm going to throw that out because we're probably going to keep it. This is the original MERCIER. This one is from the holiday collection. It came like with the powder puff and everything. This is what Laura usually looks like. That's the shade. I haven't opened it yet. Let me see. Let's get some out. I'm so excited to try this powder. This is going to be a nice quick video. Straight to the point. I already did my face. Oh. Okay. This is, I got too much out, but this is the color of the honey powder. It very much so looks like banana powder. I have my banana powder right here. So let's go ahead and compare that. Yeah, so the banana is maybe just a little bit deeper. These are the two next to each other. This is the banana, this is the Laura. Okay, so this is the shade honey. It doesn't have a smell. It smells just like all of the other powders. So we already know, like, MERCIER, the claims and everything. It's supposed to smooth you out, give you a nice smooth finish, set your makeup, and keep you set all day. I personally like the translucent one. It does work for my skin tone. You do know how to work. You do have to know how to work with it. It works for a lot of skin tones, actually. But this honey one is a game changer. Game changer. So I'm just blending out a little bit more, just to, you know, blend out any creases, because we're just gonna go right in with this. Picking it up on the sponge. We do want to make sure that it doesn't make us any darker, because I usually go for the MERCIER translucent when I want a little bit of brightness. Oh no. I'm looking at the monitor. Oh, this looks good. Okay, MERCIER is coming for banana powder's neck, or any other yellow powder, because we already know that she was a yellow powder. I mean, she's the powder queen. So to have this yellow one is amazing. I wanted to give flashback, but hope not. I'm setting, you know, like usual. I'm not doing anything different. I want to use the powder like I would, you know. Okay, my under eye looks really smooth. So sometimes I do take since I've been in hot ass Texas, take the powder and just put it all over my face. You've seen me do this before. We're going to try this with the honey. Of course, we have to sweep it off with the skin tone powder. So let's just see how this does us. Set the entire face. Okay, so my skin is looking really nicely. I don't feel like it's doing anything different, but just giving me a nice little yellow tint, which I think is what we all want. I feel like this is probably going to be perfect on darker skin tones. You know, like I mentioned, I use the MERCIER translucent for brightness. I feel like darker skin tones, this would be a safer option to use for under eyes for brightness. You know what I mean? Like I mentioned, you can use the translucent. Everybody can use that one. But you gotta know what you're doing, because you can turn out bright. Looking ashy cashy, okay? Taking my Sephora Micro Smooth like I always do. And just pressing, knocking off that excess. Now you can see the difference in the skin. I can, hopefully you can too. I was a little ashy, way ashy, okay? Too much powder. You always wanna go ahead and knock off that powder off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face, and then we're gonna come back and chat. And take a picture with flash and everything. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look, and it looks really good. I'm gonna keep using it and try it out. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day. I'll probably come back for like a quick check-in too when I get back, so we can see how it held up. I didn't use the makeup forever like I usually would, and we just see that it's still nice and smooth, which I can appreciate. I did take pictures with flash. I'm gonna insert them here, and it looks really good, to be honest. Like, I'm not even mad. I moved my hair out the way, you know, because I don't really have the best haircut for people to see my full makeup look. But this was a pimple. I just made it into a mole because, girl, that's all we can do out here. And yes, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna come back and do a little bit more talking so we can wrap it all up. But yes, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, y'all, I want to come back and show you guys what I look like after, how many hours has it been? Only been 5 hours, and my skin still looking bomb. But I really just wanted to use the product on camera for you guys. I really trust Laura Mercier. We already know all of her powders serve up a look. So the honey is also bomb. I really feel like it's kind of late, but at least it's here. Come on. Anybody who has used the Midnight Banana powder and it has worked for you, this Laura Mercier Translucent Honey will work for you as well. And it's Laura Mercier. It's luxury, and it's just bomb. I just love stuff. I be loving products, y'all. And yeah, you guys, I really want to come back and give y'all a better outro. Earlier, I was rushing, girl. We had reservations, and I'm trying to, like, do my makeup and get there on time. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below the pink bow. Yeah, the little pink, it's a pink bow in the emoji right here. Comment down below the pink bow. Let me know how you guys are doing. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Give each other a hug in the comments. We all need some love out here. Give me a hug. I need the love as well. And I will see you next time.